Hello, I'm Guari, a 3D and digital designer. Today, I'll be showing you how to add custom 3D objects to the ML template using the classification model. This model allows you to trigger animations if an object of a certain class is detected or not. To start with, I've already disabled the glasses. I'm going to also disable the face occluder and the play particles on glasses found. Next, I'm going to bring my 3D objects into the scene and drop it under the head binding. Under the head binding, make sure that your attachment point is to the forehead, depending on preferences. Press E on your keyboard to rotate. And W to get the arrows to move the object into position. Once I'm happy with the placement, I'm going to add materials to the 3D objects. After this, I'm going to duplicate the 3D objects and place them on the forehead so it looks like a flower crown. So now you can see that the flowers appear when the object is not detected and disappear when the object is detected. To add a bit more, I've imported the tween color script from the tween template, and then I'm going to bring in a behavior script. Drop my tween color in here and target the scene object. Next, I'm going to change the tween name and change the loop type to ping pong and easing type to in and out. I'm going to change the time to 2 with a delay of 1 and change the start and end colors such that you can see the transition of the flowers. And that's all. I hope you found this useful. Thank you.